ujamile endabeni yokulwela ukufaka isibawo sokudlulisa icala. U-Advocate Zandile Mshololo uthi batsho umbuso ulimaze iclient lakhe uSifiso Kuhle Nduli ngombana uNduli ubesazi ngedoketi lesibili elikodwana lavezwa ngemva kokuthi uNduli eselavele phambi kwekhotho.
The second docket, my lord, contains the photo albums that were taken in the crime scene when the incident took place on the following day when the incident took place in this matter. That information is crucial to this trial. Secondly, my lord, the second docket contains the statement, which I may call it the second statement, of Sergeant Mosia, who is testifying before this court. And in that statement, he is contradicting himself.
Umshololo uthi batsho iclient lakhe belza kuphendula ngendlela ehlukileko nayikhibe bekusetshenziswe indlela efaneleko nengathathi ihlangothi. Kanti umbuso uphikisana nesibawo esingokuthi batsho ngesangaphambi kwesikhathi khulu begodu kufuze siphaywe.
In the presence of Mr. Sibiya, there was already a discussion about First Lawrence Case 375, one of 2019, and that was on the 17th of March before they have pleaded.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kulandele uTimothy Thobejane olugqotha lomsolo wokthoma ukuya kowesine kanti uAdvocate Mshololo yena uzokuphendula kusasa.